Ever walked into a bustling restaurant, ordered your meal on a sleek tablet, and wondered about the tech powering that seamless experience? Or maybe you've been behind the counter, ringing up orders on a point-of-sale system and thought, who's behind all this? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of Revel Systems, a major player in the cloud-based POS arena, and answering a question many have: just how many employees does Revel Systems have? Before we get to the numbers, let's paint a picture of what Revel Systems actually does. They're not just selling hardware. They're providing a comprehensive platform. Think of it as the central nervous system for businesses, primarily in the restaurant and retail industries. Their systems handle everything from taking orders and processing payments to managing inventory, tracking employee performance, and even providing detailed analytics. In today's fast-paced world, businesses need technology that can keep up, and Revel Systems aims to be that solution. Now, why is employee count even important? It gives us a sense of the scale of the company. A larger workforce often suggests a larger customer base, more complex operations, and potentially greater resources for research and development. It's a peek behind the curtain, revealing the human element driving the technology we interact with daily. It's also a reflection of the company's growth trajectory and its investment in its future. So, let's address the elephant in the room: the actual number of employees. Unfortunately, Revel Systems, like many private companies, doesn't publicly disclose its exact employee count. This is quite common. Companies often keep this information private for various reasons, including competitive advantage and internal strategy. Publicly sharing precise figures could reveal insights into their operational structure, market share, and future plans, information they might prefer to keep close to the vest. However, we can make some educated estimations and explore available information to get a general idea. We can look at things like their funding rounds, the number of locations they serve, and their overall market presence. A company serving thousands of businesses globally, offering a complex suite of software solutions, and having secured significant funding likely has a substantial workforce. Think about the teams required to develop, maintain, and support such a system. You'd need engineers, software developers, customer support representatives, sales and marketing teams, human resources, and management, just to name a few. Another avenue we can explore is industry reports and analyses. Sometimes, these reports will offer estimates of employee numbers for key players in specific industries. While we might not find a precise number for Revel Systems, we can gain context by comparing them to their competitors. This helps us understand where they stand within the market landscape in terms of size and scale. We can also look at their LinkedIn presence. While it won't give us the total number, it can offer a glimpse into the different departments within the company and the types of roles they're filling. Seeing the diversity of roles and the growth of their teams over time can provide some indirect clues about their overall size. Furthermore, job postings can offer some insights. When a company is actively hiring, it suggests growth and expansion, which often translates to an increasing employee count. Looking at the number and types of positions Revel Systems is advertising can be an indicator of their current staffing needs and potential growth. Now, let's talk about the implications of not knowing the exact number. Does it really matter? In some ways, yes, and in other ways, not so much. For investors, the employee count can be a factor in evaluating the company's potential. For potential employees, it can provide a sense of the company culture and career opportunities. For customers, it might indicate the level of support they can expect. However, the lack of a precise number doesn't diminish the fact that Revel Systems is a significant player in the POS industry. Their impact is evident in the number of businesses that rely on their platform. Their technology is shaping how restaurants and retailers operate, and their continued growth and innovation are undeniable. Instead of focusing solely on the hard number, perhaps we should focus on the impact Revel Systems has. They're empowering businesses to streamline their operations, improve customer experiences, and make data-driven decisions. They're part of a larger technological shift that's transforming the way we interact with businesses every day. So, while the exact number of employees remains undisclosed, we can confidently say that Revel Systems has a substantial workforce driving its success. They've built a platform that's used by countless businesses worldwide, and that kind of reach requires a dedicated and talented team. Their focus on innovation and customer satisfaction suggests that they will continue to grow and expand their reach in the years to come. Ultimately, the specific number of employees is just one piece of the puzzle. A more complete picture emerges when we consider their market share, their technological advancements, and their impact on the industries they serve. These factors paint a more accurate portrait of Revel Systems as a leading force in the POS space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.